Once, drones were marvels of technology designed for exploration and celebration. They captured life's most precious moments, mapping fields and filming adventures. Today, they have been repurposed, transformed into silent warriors that decide life and death from the skies. From hiking trails to agricultural fields, these drones were designed to connect us to the world. Lightweight and portable, their adaptability made them indispensable for hobbyists and professionals alike. But what was once a tool for creation has become an instrument of war. On modern battlefields, consumer drones like the Mavic 3 have been reimagined, adapted for reconnaissance, target spotting, and even direct attacks. Their accessibility and simplicity make them powerful, but their modifications make them lethal.
A soldier from the Mail's recent host unit, the 41st Brigade. But the Mavic and other similar off-the-shelf drones have also been widely adapted to drop grenades and small bombs.
To weaponize a drone, each component is carefully adapted. Grenades are stripped of their propellant charges to ensure aerial deployment. Stabilizers and contact sensors are added, enabling precision and reliability during descent. A suspension mechanism secures the payload to the drone, allowing it to carry multiple grenades. Before takeoff, the grenades are armed by removing safety clips, ready for remote detonation. When the drone reaches its target, a simple command activates the release mechanism. Grenades drop with precision, striking their target. Upon impact, the firing pin triggers a chain reaction, delivering destruction in a moment.
До зльоту готовий. Безпілотники є найважливішим військовим винаходом після кулі. It's like a video game, але це не відеоігри. Ця війна – це гонка за адаптацію. Ми повинні впроваджувати інновації для того, щоб вижити. The work we do hasn't just changed our war. It's changed all wars forever.
For those who pilot these drones, the experience is surreal, combining omniscience with detachment. The battlefield becomes pixels on a screen, and decisions are made with a swipe of the finger. Yet the consequences are immediate and irreversible. The drone promises precision, but precision is not without cost. The scars it leaves are not only on the landscape, but also on those who wield it. For every mission completed, the weight of its impact lingers. Despite their versatility, drones like the Mavic 3 are not invincible. Operating at low altitudes, they are vulnerable to small arms fire and electronic jamming. Entire units report losing dozens of drones in a single day, yet the trade-off remains clear. A lost machine is always preferable to a lost life. The drone embodies the contradictions of humanity, innovative yet destructive, precise yet detached. It connects us to the world while severing us from its consequences. As these machines redefine modern warfare, they leave us with a question. What does it mean to control the skies while losing touch with the ground?